Hey guys, it's Quices with a Q here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. If you like it, you can also give it a thumbs up. Also, don't hesitate to comment down below if you have any video suggestion. Anyway, so for today's video, mag-grocery shopping kami ni Mama. My mom's here. Ma, say hi!
Hello!
Hi! So mag-grocery shopping kami ni Mama, and I just want to take you guys with me. Okay, so we're now at Robinson's Supermarket. Celery? Parsley to akong kuan. Anyway, wait up ma. So, we're now at Robinson's Supermarket. And yeah, nag-grocery shopping kami ngayon. Actually, gamay ra ang gipalit din week. Kaya nag-grocery shopping na the other week sa SNR at saka sa SM. And yung mga binili lang namin dito is yung mga hindi namin nabili doon sa SNR at saka sa SM. So, I'm kinda shy actually. Nag-vlog ako ngayon. Pero, you know, conquer your fear. Beauty. Yeah, tapos na kami mag-grocery. And now we are at Skin Health Experts. Bumili lang kami ng sunblock and mga sabon and all that for beauty. Very good.
Uy, baboy! Nanapoy sa baboy. Labaw pa pong baboy.
Agay.
Gusto ka mukha na? Bakit? Ma.
Okay, ba. Peanut pizza from Henry's. One of the best pizza in CO.
Nice yung jeepney.
Yay, we're finally home. Hey guys! So in this part of the video, I'll be sharing with you guys kung unsay laman sa amo refrigerator. Kani unta nga vlog kay purely dapat grocery shopping with my mom lang, and while I was editing, na-realize na ako nga mubura kayang video. And so I was thinking, what else kaya akong ma-add ani nga content? And then voila, I thought, oh, why not include our refrigerator or like share with you guys what's inside our ref. Actually, bago ni na akong refrigerator, we bought this last week. Voila! This is the one. But before that, I'll show you guys our old refrigerator kay Taibik. Naapasadya sa balay. And we are planning to sell it. So if you're interested, just send me a private message on Facebook. I'll show you guys our old refrigerator. This is our old Samsung refrigerator. It has a side-by-side door. Yeah, so before kay dinhing apart, ginabutangan gina namog magnets. No, kanang mga magnets nga ginapalit namo whenever we travel to other places. So I'll show you guys what's inside. Voila! Walay sulod. So of course, wala siyang sulod kaya pambalhin na namo sa bago na refrigerator. So I'll show you guys the freezer. Eto. Diba? It's so clean. Walang laman. Once again, if interested mo ani, don't hesitate to message me on Facebook. Thank you. I also attached some pictures here kung what it looks like before kata na pa yung mga sulod. Okay, so let's proceed to the new refrigerator. And this is our new refrigerator. It also has the same brand of our old one, which is Samsung. Yay! And the model of this refrigerator is, I'll show you guys, model RF85R92K37F. So just search for that on the internet, specifically in their website, and you'll see this. Okay. So for a new one, sinabihan ko talaga si mama na wag na lagyan ng mga magnets dito. However, she still told me na she wants to place this both. So, ayun, pumayag naman ako. Iyan naman po ning ref. Anyway, so the reason nga no, di ko ganang gusto ko, simple na siya eh. And I suggested naman na magpahimo mig magnet board. And then, dito na mo ipang dikit. So yeah, approved naman ni mama. Without further ado, let's get started with showing you guys what's inside our refrigerator. So my favorite part of this refrigerator is ito, yung showcase. Char. Gusto ko nito kasi you can just, get the important drinks like water, essential, and like coffee, and then sa mga ketchup, and then inabrihan na ng mga milk, tapos, vitamins. So, hindi mo na kailangan buksan yung like whole refrigerator, just this part. And yeah, makukuha mo na ang kailangan mong kunin. Yeah, so we're gonna open the next one. Ito. Kani ang whole. Ay, di pa din whole. One part. So, ayun. And then this part naman, let's open it. Voila! La 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 la. Okay, so we'll start in this side. Ito, soft drinks, no? Coke Zero, sila mama gigainom ani. Apple juice, ako. And then oyster sauce, tapos mga juice din. And then ito, juice din, juice. So ako gidang hilig with juice. Pero sa gainom po sa mama, juice, C2. And then we got some kanina brian nga cereal GF na mo, then nacho chips. So if my nacho chips, of course, merong dip, char creamy spinach dip. Ito, and then oyster sauce na naman. Ito, mga spread para sa bread. And then we got some bagoong, and then sardines. Ito, chili garlic sauce. I love this. Kapag nagluluto kami ng shrimps ni mama, ito yung ginagamit. Then, ito din, sardines, bagoong, sardines, then black beans. Ito, condensada. In here, we got some tidbits, natalie coco, kaong, and then spread again. Ayun, peaches, pang snack. Ito, whole wheat bread ko, galing ko sa SNR. Yeah, so di kay kuga rice nowadays. So what I eat instead is whole wheat bread. And then, sa likod nito, merong mga gulay na nakalagay sa container. And then ito is mga fresh milk, organic, full cream milk. Ang brand is Arla. I love it. And in this part, soft drinks na naman. No, baby size. Try to be baby size. But smaller than the 1.5 liter. So ito, Yakult. Yakult every day. Okay. And then inabrihan ng piyaya. Oh, piyaya. I love this. Ube piyaya. So yeah, I love it when it's cold. So ayun, nire-ref namin. And of course, this one, my favorite, Mango Cathedral. I'll show you guys. Nakuha na ni. Oh my gosh, kalisod. Okay. So Mango Cathedral, one of my favorite desserts. I'll show you guys. Voila! Grabe, I love this. Pag snack ko ni after himo na ko ni nga video. Okay. So ayun, Mango Cathedral. Babalik natin. Here. Okay. And then next in this section, we got some noodles, instant ramen, and then udon, and all of that. Mga pansit-pansit. Napoy bulad. Bulad. Yum. Okay. So next, we got here some eggs. Ayun, gamay na. Magpalit na po ng itlog. Okay. And then here, vegetable. We got some pechay and then squash. Ayun, kami, sliced squash. Yeah, so I guess that's all for this part. And yeah, and in this part, ito yung temperature gauge. Ito, dito kami nag-a-adjust ng mga temperature and all that shems. Okay, so sa baba naman tayo na part. Oopsie. Okay, so in this part, the freezer, voila! Wala pa yung sunod. Okay. So ito, we got some of processed food, mga frozen, mga hot dog, tsaka mga ham, ayun, mga chorizo, ayun, bacon, and then bacon na naman, ayun, so, mga sausage, so dito namin nilalagay, and then, ito, buffalo wings from SNR, so nakuha na. And actually, digit kaayo na mo ginadaghan mo frozen food, no? Kay, wala lang, mahadlok may ma-expire, hindi pa siya makaon. So, gina-make sure na mo ka na sakto lang, like, good for 1 week or 2 weeks na mag-grocery na po mi otro. Kay ganan gid ni mama nga bag-o perminti among mga frozen food. So, kaya yun, empty pa here. Ambot unsa may pangbutang, depende pa, sabutan pa na ni mama. So, sa other side naman, okay. So, here we got some ice maker. Oh, wala pa po yung sulod. And then, naapod me ice cube here. Baka ni ice cream. Ube ice cream. So, I think, gamay na name. Palit na po big bag o ice cream. Ooh, ice cream. Ice cream for ice cream. So, in this part, we got some mga manok. Manok, isda. Then, yun ang honey, a chicken with me. We got this from SNR as well. Then, of course, my favorite, the salmon. Ooh, I love salmon. We got that from SNR as well. And so, I really love, fish. Ako fish lover ako. Ay! So, fun fact. I mean, quick fact. Hindi man siya fun. Lol. So yeah, I'm a fish lover. And for this is fresh shrimps. So I got this from Jessa Tolod. Shout out to Jessa Tolod. Follow her on Instagram or add her on Facebook and message her if you want some fresh shrimps. Guys, ga-deliver pod sila within CDO lang. And yeah, so we bought actually 3 kilos ani last week manata to. And then ginado na mo is ginapeel na mo ang shrimps. So kuan na siya. Peeled shrimps na ni. And then yeah, 3 kilos per nakuha na ni. So ginabutang na mo siya in container, different containers para pagluto dali. Okay, let's proceed to the next. Okay, so here in this part we got some mga pork and then kani this is tendon. I guess this is tendon. Oh yeah, I'm right. Beef tendon. Okay, so here we got some beef short ribs and then what else? Yun, dami pa. Basta this kanita na yung mga beef at saka mga pork. Ayun. So yeah. Mapakay na puno gyud tanan. Okay, like what I said kanina. Kami ni mama, di gid mi hilig mag-hoard like mga ingani na mga kind of food. Like good for 1 month, we don't do that. Make sure mi nga gyud mi sa grocery para magpalit og mga fresh food. And then gyud mi nga bag-o magod per mi lahi rabia. Diba? Okay, so I guess that's it. Oops, gatingog na mo ref. So, I guess that's it for this video, guys. Gisingot na ko. I hope you guys will give this a thumbs up if you like it. And once again, don't hesitate to to comment down below if you have any video suggestions for me. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next video.